Your Wi-Fi drops in the middle of something important, or your car makes a weird noise it's never made before, or the garbage disposal just stops. And before you've even processed what happened, someone in the room is already on the floor looking underneath it, completely calm, completely focused, like this is just Tuesday. And you're standing there thinking, how are they like that? What is going on in their brain that I clearly don't have? It's not a skill. It's not even really experience. And once you understand what it actually is, you're going to start seeing it everywhere. So back in the 70s, a psychologist named Albert Bandura came up with this idea called self-efficacy. And look, before you check out, here's what it actually means. It's not confidence. It's not being smart. It's this very specific belief that your actions can change outcomes. That when something breaks, the gap between broken and fixed is something you can cross. Most people don't carry that belief. Fixers do. But here's the thing. That belief didn't just show up one day. It got built, quietly, usually in childhood, through these tiny moments nobody thought were a big deal. A wobbly lamp that got tightened instead of replaced. A computer that got rebooted instead of panicked over. Small stuff. But what those moments kept writing into that kid's brain over and over was, problems are temporary, and I'm someone who handles them. That's it. That's the whole thing. And from the outside, it looks like confidence, but it's actually something different. It's a tolerance for ambiguity. These people are genuinely okay not knowing the answer yet. They don't need to fully understand something before they're willing to touch it. And that's the real mechanism, because most people don't freeze because they're incapable. They freeze because uncertainty feels like a stop sign. For fixers, uncertainty is just the starting point. Now, and I want to be real with you here, not every fixer got there through healthy curiosity. Some of them got there because they had to. Because growing up, the adults weren't handling things, so they figured it out themselves or nobody would. Same behavior on the outside, very different cost on the inside. That kind of fixer often can't turn it off. They fix things that don't even need fixing. They can't just sit in a problem without solving it, even when the moment just needs them to be present. So you've got two types, the one built by curiosity and the one built by survival. Both capable, very different underneath. And look, you might be watching this realizing you're neither, thinking that's just permanently who you are. It's not. It's not a character flaw, it's just a history you haven't had yet. Self-efficacy gets built the same way it always did, through small problems, handled, not huge ones. Tighten the screw even if you're not sure it'll work. Make the call even if you don't know exactly what to say. Open the thing and just look at it. That's the whole move. That's how the belief gets written. Okay, if you watched till here, make sure you subscribe and hit like button. Thanks for watching.